Guys, I told you that this strategy works. It works. When you apply it exactly the way I told you, trust me, you will find every reason to enjoy your forex trading experiences and of course career. Just be patient because it takes patience and of course proper risk management. You can see what I taught you in the last video. In the last two videos, that whenever the market shoots for the day and returns back to 34 moving average and of course develops a bullish or bearish engulfing candle in the case of uptrend and downtrend, that you should make your entry. You can see what is going on. The market return, I waited for it until it developed this bullish engulfing candle. Boom. This is my entry, what they call sniper entry. And as you can see how it's moving. I'm almost hitting the TP. Wait for it. I shall show you the result in due time. Let me pause a bit. Once the TP hits, then I'll show you so guys, the TP has been hit, and as you can see, this is how it looks. So this is how I do it on daily basis. Follow up the strategy strictly. The market is still heading upward. I'm done for the day. While I wait for probably tomorrow. Maybe this currency pair, maybe another. But trust me, do the setup the same way I advise, and of course, make sure that you exercise patience and use proper risk management while making the entry. Always take a look at this very edge, that is the retracement spot where it got to the 34 moving average, and where the latest strength index retraced to 50 waiting level. So as you can see in this place, sometimes, like I told you in the previous video, it might cross below, but what you should be keen is when it retraced and where it developed the bullish engulfing candle in the case of uptrend, or bearish engulfing candle in the case of downtrend. As you can see, all the way from let's say for how many days now, day 1, day 2, day 3, that's this is the day 1 of the trend, the day 2 of the trend, and of course the day 3 and the day 4. So most trends don't last at this much, but whether the small related trend that lasts for 2 days or 3 days, what you should do is always wait. Patience. So like I told you, the bullish engulfing candle should either comes by 8 o'clock in the morning, or maybe by 12 or around 3, as you can see in this place, 3 o'clock, 3:30 to 4 o'clock. So it depends. If you check this place, look at it here. This one happened around 5 o'clock. So, but you can see the market still retraced back before moving. So when you look at this place too, it happened around 4 o'clock. I mean, and around 3 o'clock, that's 15 o'clock. So the patience is the key, and you must exercise it in order to enjoy the strategy. So, and of course, when the market moves, the latest strength index moves. Once you get to the 70 sell level, don't forget to opt out if you don't use TP. So see you guys in the next video. Very soon I will be uploading for more new strategies, but I want you people to get conversant with this one and use it. While you're using it and getting conversant with it, used to it, then if I upload new ones, then you'll be able to compare the two, the one that is favorable to you. So see you guys. I'm out.